Gruha Jyothi scheme gives up to 200 units of free power to every household in Karnataka and is one of the 5 guarantees assured by the Congress government of Karnataka. On Wednesday, Karnataka Energy Minister KJ George, speaking to media at Bescom office, said people who want to avail this facility should log into Seva Sindhu portal of the state government from June 15 to July 15. This portal can be accessed from mobile and computer. Assistance will be given to those who aren't able to complete registration process online at Grama 1 centers and Bangalore 1. KJ George said the documents required to avail this scheme are Aadhaar card, voter ID, title deed, rental agreement or lease. A policy will be rolled out to include new buildings and new tenants in the next 2 days. This scheme applies only to domestic households and not commercial buildings. According to the scheme, electrical supply company will calculate each consumer's typical usage based on the average consumption of power in the previous fiscal year. If it is less than 200 units, an additional 10% will be added. Consumer consuming an average of 150 units of power per month, they will be eligible for up to 165 units of free electricity. Any household consuming more than 200 units have to pay the full amount. As per the minister, Karnataka state has 2.16 crore consumers who use less than 200 units of power. Only 2 lakh consumers who use more than 200 units of power. The average consumption of domestic power is 53 units. He also added this scheme is going to cost 13,000 crores to the state, and he also said we aren't trying to exclude anyone from the scheme, and the objective is to offer relief to middle class who are affected by the price rise.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ